Time for a new one. This is what a new blade looks like. Nice and square, blunt object. So step one, I just find something that's small enough to fit in this hole here. Trying to align this small hole. And then I'm gonna quite literally just stick this little drill bit I found in the truck. Just put that in there, and then I'm just gonna take that off. Uh-oh, it's not what we want. Broke the drill bit. Oh, looks like we need a new one. Gotta be a better way to do this. Gotta figure that out. Come on. Get them tight to you. There's a lot. The washer comes off. We'll keep that. This is the brace. That's this. Difference between the old blade and the new blade. And this one's only been in use for maybe a couple weeks. So nothing too crazy. Quite literally just gonna place it on there on the top. Seat it nice and even on there. Put this brace back on. And reapply the wash. So in order to tighten it, it's opposite. It's usually righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. It's the opposite here. Lefty-tighty, righty-loosey. I know. That drill bit is important to keep this from free spinning. So you definitely want that there. Or anything a little more sturdy. Got a new EDGER blade.